Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how we can get help from ChatGPT in content writing. So it means that ChatGPT can help us to create content and build our brand. As we know that in 2024 content is diamond, I believe, because the more content you will create, the more you'll have chances to reach multiple peoples in the worldwide, and the more you will reach to the peoples, the more it will be helpful for you for your lead generation. It doesn't matter any business you are doing. So in this video, I will teach you an example that how we will get help from ChatGPT to create content. The first thing that I want to recommend you, never just copy these articles from these AI tools and directly paste on your website. If you will do so, Google will de-rank your website because these search engines are not supporting AI content. But if you are truly a real content writer, then ChatGPT can be a helpful tool for you to research. So for example, let me type here a prompt like I am a reporter in Pakistan and I want to publish an article on my website in which I have to give my analysis to peoples that how Imran Khan government helped Pakistan to rise in between 2018 to 2021. Give me outline to my blog post. Let me press enter. So you can see that first of all, it has given me a title like Analyzing Imran Khan's Government's Impact on Pakistan's Progress 2018 and 2021, Introduction, Economic Reforms and Growth, Infrastructure Development, and Social Reforms and Welfare Programs, Assessment of Government Initiatives in Healthcare and Education Sectors, Discussion on Reforms in the Health Sector, including the Sehat Sahulat Program and initiatives to improve healthcare access. So as you can see that challenges and criticism, conclusion and reference, all these outlines are available for me. Obviously this is very helpful. For example, I'm writing on this point like Sehat Sahulat Program. Let me copy this and here I'm going to type here give me detail about this government Sehat Sahulat Program. Let me press enter. So that's how I can research more and more and more on a specific topic. Obviously you should get help from books, from other newspapers, news channels, but these AI tools will also help you to write very effective content. Now it's up to you. It is up to your creativity that how you get help from these AI tools. Now for example, we will ask ChatGPT to assist us to use this content to create engaging promotional tweets for myself. Okay, let me type here, for example, the first article you provide me, I want to make a tweet on my Twitter account as well. So write a tweet for me on that topic. Obviously, so here you can see that analyzing Imran Khan's government from 2018 to 2021, from economic reforms to social welfare. My new article dives into Pakistan's progress under PM Imran Khan's leadership. Check it out for insight on infrastructure, healthcare, diplomacy, and more. And let me type here, write in a funnier way. Let me press enter. So here you can see that diving into Imran Khan's roller coaster ride as Pakistan's PM, from boosting the economy to playing diplomat. My latest article breaks down the heights and lows of his reign. Strap in for a wild ride of progress and pitfalls. So friends, this was the technique that how we can get help from ChatGPT to create content and build our brand. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.